Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use Sales Navigator on LinkedIn. First thing first, go to the LinkedIn Sales Navigator homepage. Choose a plan, professional, team or enterprise, then complete sign up and click it to your LinkedIn profile to link it. Now, fill out sales preferences like target industries, geographies, job functions, and this will ensure recommendations and searches match your sales goals. The dashboard shows saved leads, recommended accounts, and real-time updates. Customize it to highlight the information most relevant to your strategy. The key features are advanced search to filter members by location, industry, etc. For example, find tech startup founders in San Francisco. B. Lead and account recommendations by Sales Navigator suggests leads and companies based on your preferences, and also it can organize prospects by region, industry, or priority, and track and manage outreach efficiently. You can also send direct messages to users outside your network and personalize messages to improve response rates. You can see if teammates are connected to prospects for warm introductions like by team link and team or enterprise only. And finally, get notified of job changes, company news, or lead activity, which helps engage at the right time. Sales Navigator is a powerful tool for sales professionals. Setting it up properly and using advanced search, lead lists, and email can dramatically improve your LinkedIn prospecting. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.